is GATE 2021 Engineering Sciences Thermodynamics paper. It is given a closed system consists of a solution of liquid water and ethanol in equilibrium with its vapors. Using the Gibbs phase rule, the degree of freedom of the system is, I have to find degree of freedom when it is given a closed system consisting of a liquid water and ethanol in equilibrium with its vapors. So we have in this case two components. One is liquid water and another is ethanol. Now they are in equilibrium with its vapors, means they are in the mixed phase. Now we have to find degree of freedom. So according to the Gibbs phase rule, P plus F is equal to C plus 2, where P is the number of phases, F is degree of freedom, C is the number of components. Now we already have C as 2 in this case because one is liquid and one is ethanol. So the given mixture is in mixed phase, so number of phases will be 2. That is the saturated liquid phase and saturated vapor phase, since both are in equilibrium. It is clearly given in the question. So putting these values in this equation, we get 2 plus F is equal to 2 plus 2. So solving this, we get F is equal to 2. So that is the degree of freedom is 2, and from the given option C is the correct answer. So moving on to the next question. For a real gas passing through an insulated throttling valve, the outlet temperature of the gas with respect to the inlet temperature. So there are 4 options. So I have to find the relation between the outlet temperature of the gas and the inlet temperature of the gas if this is a real gas passing through an insulated throttling valve. So now let us suppose this is a throttling valve and this is state 1 or inlet state and this is exit state. Suppose the temperature at the inlet is Ti and the temperature at the exit is Te. Now the question is, this is insulated valve. Now this is a flow process, and if we apply SFEE to understand this problem, suppose Q plus Mi Hi plus Ci square by 2 plus Gzi is equal to Me He plus Ce square by 2 plus Gze plus shaft work, and in this case shaft work will be 0 because in throttling there is no shaft, neglecting the changes in the kinetic potential energy as well, and this is an insulated valve, so this goes to 0. So I get Mi Hi is equal to Me He. If we apply mass balance across this control volume, so Mi is equal to Me, so this goes to 0 and I get Hi is equal to He. So this is He. Now if this is an ideal gas, then Ti is equal to Te, because ideal gas is a function of temperature only if this is an ideal gas. Now if this is not an ideal gas, if this is real gas, then the temperature at the exit may be higher or lower or can remain same. So we cannot predict, because in throttling process the pressure is changing and we monitor the change in temperature with respect to the change in pressure. So for a real gas, it is not possible to predict whether this temperature will be higher, lower or will remain same. So from the given option C is the correct answer. Now if this gas would be an ideal gas, then the exit temperature for the given condition, the exit temperature and the inlet temperature will be same.